The real facts you must need to know about money. 1. Money doesn't buy happiness. Contrary to popular belief, money doesn't buy happiness.
While having money can make life easier, it's not a guarantee for happiness. Many people with a lot of money still struggle with stress, anxiety, and other issues. Happiness is often derived from personal relationships, meaningful work,
and a sense of purpose, rather than financial wealth. 2. Money can't solve all problems.
Another untold truth about money is that it can't solve all problems. Money can help address financial problems, but it can't fix everything. Issues such as health problems, relationship problems, and personal issues can't be solved with money alone. It's important to understand that money is just one aspect of life, and there are other things that are equally or more important. 3. Financial education is crucial. One of the most important things about money that people often overlook is the importance of financial education. Without proper financial knowledge, people can make poor financial decisions that can lead to debt, financial struggles, and other problems. Learning about personal finance, budgeting, and investing can help you make informed decisions and achieve financial stability. 4. Money is a tool. Another untold truth about money is that it's just a tool. Money is a means to an end, rather than an end in itself. It's a resource that can be used to achieve goals, fulfill needs, and make life easier. Understanding the purpose of money and how to use it effectively can help you achieve financial success and live a fulfilling life. 5. Money is not the measure of success. It's important to understand that money is not the measure of success. Success can be defined in many ways, such as personal growth, relationships, and community involvement. While financial success can be important, it's not the only measure of a successful life. 6. Money is subjective. The value of money is subjective and varies from person to person. What one person considers a large amount of money may not be the same for someone else. Additionally, the value of money can change depending on the economic situation and the individual's circumstances. 7. Money can amplify your personality. Money can amplify your personality, both positive and negative traits. If you are a generous and kind person, having money can enable you to give more to others and make a positive impact on the world. On the other hand, if you are a selfish and greedy person, having money can magnify these traits and lead to negative consequences. 8. Money can affect your relationships. Money can have a significant impact on your relationships, both positively and negatively. Disagreements about money and financial struggles can cause stress and strain on a relationship, while financial stability can provide a sense of security and support. It's important to communicate openly about money with your partner and establish shared financial goals. 9. Money is not an indicator of intelligence. Contrary to popular belief, having a lot of money does not necessarily mean that you are intelligent or capable. There are many factors that contribute to financial success, including luck, privilege, and personal circumstances. It's important to recognize that financial success is not a measure of one's intelligence or worth as a person. 10. Money can't buy time. Finally, money can't buy time. No matter how wealthy you are, you can't purchase more time in your day. Time is a finite resource that we all have a limited amount of, and it's important to use it wisely. While money can provide opportunities and experiences, it's important to remember that time is the most valuable resource we have.